Give me certain examples where you feel that you're a good team player. Again, this is very crucial interview questions, and they wanted to understand whether you're a good team player or you're not a good team player. Definition for good team player is like you should be very flexible enough, and you're able to extend the hours, and you're able to help the other person, or you're having a good communication skills, and you're able to take care of other person's issues, are you able to understand the other person. That is how normally the skills of or characteristics of a good team player. Now, how will you help the interviewer that he understands that you are a good team player? Maybe you should come up with a certain examples that you are showcasing that you are a good team player. I have taken one example here is you should be able to get the work done as a team here. Let's say you have 100 test cases, you should get it done execution within one day. Now with another 4 tester. Now it requires lot of collaboration, lot of communications to plan together and work together and complete the test execution within a particular day. Now it requires big rapport within the team to complete the work. That means you should be able to explain them that you did all these things because you are a good team player. What are the things you have taken care? What are the actions you have taken care? If you are able to explain that, definitely that would give a positive impact. Give me an example that you took some initiative that helped the overall testing team productivity. Again, this is a very good question which will be asked in any interview because they wanted to assess what kind of person you are. Whether you are able to bring value addition to the given project or whether you are able to provide value addition to any company. Now you should come up with a certain example. There are various hundreds of value additions you might have made in your previous companies or current project. Now you should take few examples. I have taken an example of with the recent challenges like due to higher attrition, maybe with the 20-30% of attrition every year in every organization. Now in order to tackle this attrition, testers will come and go on each and every month. That means you should have a strong knowledge transition mechanism. How will you take care? Because we cannot put forth more senior tester to provide handholding or more knowledge transition for every resource who are onboarding. It is too much time consuming. Now, if I am able to bring once if you are able to do transition for one resource, and you were able to completely record that. Now, once you are able to record that, whoever onboards new person, first thing he will do is he will watch all the videos. Other senior tester time will get saved because of that. If you are able to explain simple example like this, definitely that is also going to bring lot of value addition for your team and project as well. This is how you should be able to explain with certain examples what was the outcome because of that in terms of dollar savings, in terms of resource saving, or in terms of our savings. Give me an example where you used your problem solving skills that helped your team and a company. This is also very crucial. Being a tester, you should have a good problem solving skills. Problem solving skills means maybe in any project there could be hundreds of problems maybe there. Now you should be able to identify certain problems and you should be able to provide a solution for that. I provided one example here. The biggest challenge in any testing project is creating a test data because especially if it is 10 records, 20 records, it is very easy to create manually. Let's say if I wanted to create the test data in millions of records, which I wanted to pump into the database, or if I wanted to create that kind of test data for our testing manually is not at all possible, right? Now, you should bring certain value addition. This is the problem. The test data is the biggest problem. Now, maybe you should come up with your innovative way. How can we create this test data in a more automated way by using various programming languages, various shell scripts, various different skills which I can bring the thought process on bringing automated way of test data creation. Because of the right test data, we're able to find good defects as well. This is how you should be able to explain. Definitely that would help the interviewer to assess you are the right person for their project or their company. I hope you guys got a clear idea now how you should answer various different set of behavioral skills or real-time questions which they might ask you. You should be able to answer more real-time with your own example. You need not follow whatever the example which I talked about here. You might have your own examples. Maybe before interview, you should list down all these questions and you should be able to answer in a more different way and more comfortable way, more confidence way. I am hoping this video was very useful for you. If you guys really like this video, then please give a thumbs up to this video.